Most people think earning money on Inbox Dollars is the hard part. It's not. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is getting stuck during the cash-out process after finally reaching the payout minimum. Here's the truth no one tells you. A lot of users delay their own payments because they skip verification steps, use incorrect account details, or try withdrawing before their rewards fully clear. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to redeem and cash out your Inbox Dollars earnings in 2026, how long payouts usually take, and the mistakes that can slow everything down. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Inbox Dollars app or website and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, check your available balance. Inbox Dollars usually requires users to reach a minimum payout threshold before cashing out. Now, tap on the Payments, Redeem or Cash Out section, depending on the version you're using. You'll usually see multiple payout methods here. Common options include PayPal, prepaid Visa cards, gift cards, or mailed checks. This is where most people fail. They rush through the process without checking whether their payment account details are correct. If you're using PayPal, make sure the email connected to PayPal matches the one on your Inbox Dollars account whenever possible. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some earnings may still show as pending, even though they appear in your balance. For example, Alex completed a survey and expected instant withdrawal access, but Inbox Dollars still needed advertiser confirmation before releasing the reward. So before cashing out, make sure your earnings are marked as available and not pending. Once your balance is ready, choose your preferred payout method and enter the withdrawal amount if required. Then confirm the redemption request. In many cases, digital rewards like PayPal or gift cards arrive faster than physical checks. But here's the problem. Processing times can still vary depending on weekends, account verification, or high payout demand periods. So don't panic if your payment doesn't arrive instantly. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid delayed cash-outs that frustrate new users. First, complete your profile information honestly. Second, avoid creating multiple accounts. Third, don't rush through surveys randomly because inconsistent answers can trigger account reviews. Users like Jake sometimes click through surveys too quickly, then wonder why their rewards get flagged or delayed. Another smart tip is checking your email regularly after requesting a payout. Inbox Dollars may occasionally send verification links or payment confirmation messages that need action from you. Now here's another thing many people don't realize. Gift card payouts can sometimes process faster than bank-related methods, especially during busy periods. So to recap, log into Inbox Dollars, verify your available balance, choose your payout method, confirm your payment details, submit the cash-out request, and wait for processing. Simple process. But small mistakes can slow everything down if you're not careful. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest Inbox Dollars cash out so far. And if you want more updated money app tutorials for 2026, check out the next video on your screen.